Want to turn your sketches into living, breathing characters? Francis Tuttle's 2D animation and concept art program will help you bring your imagination to life. Whether you dream of working in animation, concept art, illustration, or motion design and VFX, this hands-on program teaches industry-standard skills using the same techniques, processes, and software the pros do. From storyboarding to animation, you'll build up a portfolio that showcases your unique artistic vision. Small class sizes allow our teachers to provide you with personalized instruction, helping you refine your craft and push creative boundaries. If you're ready to transform ideas into reality, this is your chance. Contact Francis Tuttle today and start building the skills you need to launch your career in digital art and animation.